Good morning, everyone. So today we are here to know about one of the potentials of generative AI, how we can leverage the technology when it comes to make presentations and impactful presentations. So to start with, there are numerous AI tools, AI suites, AI websites which provide such kind of services. But to make it short and crisp and up to the mark, we will go through one of the best websites when it comes to generate PPTs, PowerPoint presentations, which is Beautiful.ai. So all you need to do is just write Beautiful.ai in Google, and through that you can go to the website, or you can straight away write Beautiful.ai, and you can reach the website. So once you are there, so I'm already logged in into the account. So if you are new, you have to sign up, and it's not something free. So you can sign up, but yes, they have a free trial of 14 to 15 days so that you can understand like if the website meets your concern or meets your objective for which you are trying to sign up the website. So once you are there, it was more like a website which was used to create presentations, but now they have this AI powered suite, or they have integrated AI into their services, which makes your works easier and impactful. So it is quite struggling to make websites. Yes, you have to ensure that a website is a presentation. So when it comes to presentations, it's more like finding a needle in a haystack just to make slides perfect. With the help of AI, we can ensure like such kind of task. It's not that struggling anymore. So we have themes. Let's select a theme. So you can select a new theme, or you can import your PPTs as well in out here. So let's go ahead and select this theme. Looks professional. So both for professional or personal usage, it can be used. So I created presentation. Okay. So here you can do it manually. So all you need to do is manually. You can add image. So again here AI comes into the picture. So if we talk about adding image, okay, panda. This city. So let's see what is the output. So yeah, there it is. So it will images, right? So again, when it comes to get images from generative AI platforms, so prompt is very important. So this is usually called a prompt or an input. So more precise your prompt is, more precise your output will be. So here you can see we have some images of some down streets. Some are not relevant at all. So I don't know why it doesn't look like a panda at all, but yes, there are images. So this one is closer. A panda in a city, it's more like a dummy, but yes, it is what we were expecting and the input that we gave. Interesting. So interesting. So yes, there are some interesting images and some relevant images as well. Some are not relevant. But we'll choose what we want to choose. Okay, let's choose this one or this one. Yeah, panda is steering or looking towards the audience. So this is what all about. So your prompt, the power lies in your prompt as well, be it creating presentation or any content, text, images, audios. Your prompt holds the key to the output. So here we have this wonderful image, that the image that we were looking for. Now talking about heading. So heading is another thing which is very important to create presentations, because it defines and it creates the path to engage the audience, right? So let me try text. So let's to be shorter, type heading climate crisis. So this is what we want to show. A panda came into the from the jungle to the city, asking people to help, to care about the environment. So I will just try to rewrite the text. Okay, nothing happened. Okay, let's change text. Or let's try another time. Global warming. Yes, so it will pick out the words. So you have to select it, which I missed while doing it for the first time. So let's keep it simpler to understand. Climate change, yeah. So change tone, okay. Professional, concise. So there are tones as well. It's not excited to talk about climate crisis. then we have to ensure like we start looking towards it. Climate shift. So this is done. Now, if we want to add, let's add text box here. Okay. Okay. Title. How important it is to realize the climate crisis happening all over the globe. So again, if I want to make it a bit of longer, then let's make it. It's more like, so you can see that how AI is playing with it, how we are playing with the AI, and how AI is revolutionizing the the concept of making presentations. Let's make it friendly. So you can see all the changes out. So here you are doing most of the manual work, and you don't want to do it, right? So we will make things more easier. So you can again go to the library or the homepage, your homepage, once you are signed in, and let's create another presentation. Now we will not do all the manual stuff. We will use AI right from the scratch, right from the beginning. So we click here, and now we will make a slide, a presentation on climate, on global climate crisis with real facts. Again, it's asks us for the theme we want to prefer. So let's make it, let's do the classic one and Scottish. So now, so most of us would be curious to know how these things are happening. So when we talk about generative AI, so it already has some models, some data sets, which are continuously improving themselves, learning from the input that you are given. So this is already there, or the related information is there in their data sets. And what they are doing, they are just ensuring like what the input is provided or what the prompt is given by the user. And on the basis of that, they are extracting those information from the data models. It can be different data sets from which they can extract the information which is close to the prompt provided and putting them all in slides. So you can see we didn't have to do manual tasks. So back just a minute before, when we were creating it manually, it was one slide and we had to do a lot of manual work. But here we have 11 slides and all talking about the topic that we want to discuss. So images are there, text is there, and ensuring, okay, that it is relevant to the topic. And it is not something like which you can't change. You still have the possibility and the privilege to change the text as well. So if you want to change the text, you can keep it shorter. There it is. So you can still do the editing, but AI has done most of the job for you. Climate crisis, history of climate crisis. I think it was straight away when human came into existence. So carbon emissions by countries. So talking about the information that has been provided by AI, like it mentioned that the data was from World Bank 2022 predictions or analysis, but we have to ensure, we have to review the outcome, because most of the time it is not precise, the generative AI outputs. So it is highly recommended to review the statics shared by generative AI before going to the public and not to be in the embarrassing situation. So lovely websites, lovely slides, and relatable. So if you want to add further slide, you can add further slide, and again, you can take help of the AI as well. Slide mentioning use cases to control climate crisis. So it will only generate one slide, which we can add to our presentation and make it more impactful. So it's very easy to use, user-friendly website, Beautiful AI, and you don't have to do a lot of things. But yes, the only thing that you want to make sure that it's good is your prompt, the input that you are giving while making the website or the output you want to get. So here it is. Now, once it is done, we can export the slide into whether we want it in an image or export it as PPT, but or export the entire presentation. So this is the option that we would be preferring. Now, again, before going for the final export, we received few options, and this is interesting. And this one is relatable because we want to edit our PowerPoint, and it happens. Personally speaking, about myself, I to the last minute. I have often changed my PowerPoint presentation just to make them more close to the topic and more engaging to my audience. So let's export it. So there are 12 slides which AI has made for us. So here in the presentation, here in this video, I have demonstrated like how we can use generative AI platform named Beautiful AI to make presentations, how we can make changes in the text, how we can generate images within the website itself. We don't have to go to other image creation, Dolly or Bard to create images or text through generative AI. You can use it. You can use this standalone website itself. And once you are done, you can export, you can make changes, and make your website more powerful. As I said, it's PowerPoint presentation, it's powerful presentation, more effective. So it usually takes 2 to 3 minutes depending on the number of slides and the complexity of the output. But it's worth, right? You don't have to do a lot of manual tasks, creating the slides, selecting the themes, putting in the images, the input. So AI does the job for you. So it is, remember, like when it comes to technology, you don't have to fear technology. Like it will take away your jobs. It will create a ruckus in the market. So you have to understand. You have to cultivate the mindset to embrace technology, to understand it. And once you have understood it, it will be your best mate in your workplace, in your personal life as well, when it comes to help out your kids, how to introduce them, how to make presentations or create images or other related contents. So that being said, explore yourself, explore to other platforms as well where you can generate content in terms of text, in terms of images, sounds, videos. There are a lot of use cases which you can explore, and it's fun actually. It is a fun kind of thing when you know you can help your colleagues as well. You can help your friends, whomsoever. You can share this particular video with your friends who always find it struggling to make websites, to make presentations. A lot of time. Usually it doesn't take the time, but I think the internet speed is somewhat playing with the generation of the output or exporting of the slides. Let's go. Okay, so so in order to cut the time, I will show you the presentation that I have downloaded using Beautiful AI. So this was the website that I had made. How disruptive and innovation are dividing the modern economy. So I have not done any changes in the website. It is completely made by AI or the input that I have provided. Quite beautiful, right? So try yourself, make magic out of AI, and let me know in the comments like if you have tried and what all you want to know more about AI. Thank you, everyone. Have a good and safe day ahead. Share it, like it, subscribe to our channel.